Imagine the saxophone as your sonic paintbrush and your music, a canvas of silence waiting to be splashed with vibrant sounds. But what concocts the perfect palette of saxophone sounds? It boils down to three pivotal elements: concept, equipment, and technique. Let's unravel these mysteries with a dash of humor and a pinch of professionalism. Concept: the force of sound. To forge a sound as legendary as the sax icons before us, we must immerse ourselves in their melodies. It's about developing an aural blueprint so vivid any deviation feels like a disturbance in the force. This sonic image is our guiding star, leading us to emulate the tones we idolize and reject the rest. Remember, young Padawans, the strength of your concept determines the path of your performance. Equipment: choosing your sonic arsenal. Selecting the right gear is akin to choosing a wand in the wizarding world of music. It must resonate with your style and desired sound. For the classical connoisseurs, a tighter mouthpiece reed gap with a sturdier reed is the go-to. Jazz enthusiasts, on the flip side, opt for a wider gap and a softer reed to hit those high notes of brightness and volume. And let's not forget, the saxophone itself doesn't need to break the bank. It just needs to be leak-free and well-tuned. A word to the wise: consult a sage or a teacher before venturing into the equipment forest. Technique: the breath, the bite, and the buzz. Airflow alchemy: the oral cavity conundrum. Unlock the secrets of airflow by keeping your throat as open as a jazz club on a Saturday night. Let your tongue lounge comfortably in its natural arch, feeling the inner walls of your molars like an old friend. Channel your inner ee vowel sound to guide the airstream with finesse. Embouchure: the saxophone embrace. Here's where you can truly personalize your sound. Control the amount of mouthpiece you welcome into your mouth. Aim your lower teeth like a marksman at the reed's fulcrum, and roll your lip over those teeth as if whispering a secret to the reed. The pressure against the reed, it's a delicate dance. Find the sweet spot where resonance and pitch harmonize. Intonation: the pitch-perfect puzzle. Navigating the saxophone's pitch landscape requires a map and compass. Compensate for the flat middle register and the sharp highs and lows by adjusting the mouthpiece and experimenting with jaw pressure and tongue terrain. It's a journey of micro adjustments leading to pitch perfection. In the end, whether you're chasing the refined echoes of a concert hall or the electrifying buzz of a jazz bar, it's all about aligning your concept, equipment, and technique to create a sound that's uniquely yours. So go ahead, saxophonists, paint your masterpiece with every note you play.